Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best axes for splitting wood that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Hilco Werk Vario 2000 axe. The Hilco Werk Vario 2000 axe is expensive but well worth it. Handmade in Germany, this heavy-duty wood-splitting axe features a well-designed splitting wedge that allows it to cut through larger and longer wood pieces with incredible precision and power. The long handle, while making it harder to use for shorter folks, ensures that every swing delivers tons of force to chop through wood in a single strike. The head is made of high-carbon steel. Higher carbon normally translates to better sharpness, which also ensures that the cutting head won't get stuck in a wood piece. The handle, meanwhile, is made of American hickory wood that's finished with linseed oil. This ensures that the handle looks great and feels smooth to the touch. We only wish it was a little more textured to eliminate the possibility of slipping. The axe also comes with a full-grain leather sheath for safety and storage, plus a bottle of protective oil for the axe head. All in all, this 8.5-pound axe is a great choice for woodsmen or heavy-duty woodworkers who need something hardcore and long-lasting to chop through wood pieces for years to come. Moving on at number 4, we have the Husqvarna wooden splitting axe. The Husqvarna wooden splitting axe is much more affordable than the last, and it's 30 inches long. Thus, it's best used for small to medium-sized logs rather than larger pieces. The durability of the head, though, is perfect for chopping through thicker wood pieces so long as you use a two-handed grip. The head is secured to the wooden handle to avoid accidents. The axe is forged in Sweden and the head is made with extremely durable Swedish steel. Properly greased, the axe will last for years to come, especially since the purchase comes with a leather cover for added protection. The handle is textured but isn't uncomfortable, and even has a hole at the end for hook storage. Ultimately, this axe is a perfect pick if you want a heavy-duty but smaller axe for home use, or for clearing away some types of trees with thicker trunks. At number 3, we have the Tabor Tools J55A splitting axe. Want a longer than average splitting axe? Then the Tabor Tools J55A is perfect for you. At 35 inches long, it's ideal for a variety of heights, and it offers one of the best optimized blade shapes we've ever seen. This makes it perfect for tearing through medium to large-sized logs or wood pieces. It's also one of the most efficient axes you can find thanks to its length and phenomenal balance. This is partially because the head itself is exceptionally balanced, featuring special wings that prevent the head from getting stuck in wood pieces. The head is made with durable steel that's further bolstered by a protective coat of anti-rust material. The blade can be re-sharpened fairly easily with standard files, though this also means you may need to re-sharpen it a little more often compared to other axes. The handle is also great. It's fiberglass, so it's durable but lightweight, and it comes with a comfortable grip that will make the axe more difficult to drop, even if you have sweaty hands. The anti-shock design of the axe handle makes it even more comfortable, too. All in all, it's a great axe for splitting wood. We only wish that the head was a little wider, as this would make it even better for chopping through fatter logs for construction or fireplace needs. At number 2, we have the Cold Steel CSAXE All-Purpose Axe. The Cold Steel CSAXE All-Purpose Axe is affordable and simple, an ideal tool for the craftsman or hobbyist woodworker who just wants something functional instead of aesthetically fancy. It's 26 inches long, making it suitable for a variety of arm lengths, and it has a head made of high-carbon steel. This affords the axe phenomenal durability and excellent sharpness. It also features a wide enough axe head that you shouldn't have any issues chopping through wider workpieces or logs with this tool. The European-style cutting edge bites through heavy or harder wood varieties without much trouble. We also like that the length isn't too long or too short for general cutting work. The handle, as well, is durable and comfortable and is made from American hickory wood. There isn't, unfortunately, anything to stop you from dropping the axe, but it's still an excellent cutting implement all around when you consider its overall cutting efficacy. And finally at number 1, we have the MTech MTech USA Camping Axe. This shorter than average axe measures in at about 11 inches, making it a perfect hand axe that's ideal for chopping through smaller wood pieces. Although it's small overall, it comes with an excellent, 3-inch wide stainless steel blade. Stainless steel is excellent for this case since it means the metal won't corrode or rust over time, even if you get the axe wet from time to time. The tool is compact and easy to store, making it an ideal choice for camping or exploratory use. Furthermore, it comes with a rubber handle that offers a comfortable and textured grip, plus some limited shock absorption. Ultimately, it's a phenomenal tool for chopping down smaller wood pieces or branches and for gathering fire to keep warm through the night. It also comes with a nylon black sheath for added protection, and it's one of the cheapest axes on this list. It's not, of course, the best for splitting through larger logs. Additionally, the stainless steel edge might be a little difficult to sharpen when the time comes.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.